All right. If you read tech news, you've probably heard about this story. LG was caught red-handed installing adware on its customers' computers, automatically without any user intervention, simply because someone had plugged in a monitor. The LG Monitor Control app came with McAfee advertisement pop-ups, and users never asked for any of it. Windows installed it silently through a feature most people don't know exists. This often happens with any device you connect to your PC, not just LG. Here's how to block this from happening on your PC. Click the Start button and search for View Advanced System Settings. Open it. In the System Properties window, click the Hardware tab. Click Device Installation Settings. A dialog appears asking, do you want to automatically download manufacturer's apps for your devices? Here's the issue. Microsoft typically recommends keeping this option enabled whenever you connect a new device, such as a wireless mouse, keyboard, or any other device that requires a background app to function properly. If you disable this option, your devices may not work as expected. What I recommend is disabling this option and then installing the apps manually if you have a new device. Select No and click Save Changes. That's it. Windows will no longer automatically download and install manufacturer applications when you plug in hardware devices. Basic drivers that are part of Windows Update will still install for hardware to function. This specifically stops the companion app and branded software layer. For Windows 11 Pro users, you can also configure this through Group Policy. Press Windows plus R. Type gpedit.msc. Navigate to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, System, Device Installation. The policy that controls this is Prevent Automatic Download of Applications Associated with Device Metadata, but it achieves the same result as the System Properties toggle, so the simpler approach is just as effective. Turn this off. If you plug in a device and something doesn't work correctly, you can always go manually to the manufacturer's website and install what you specifically need. Giving blanket auto-install permission to every hardware vendor is not worth the risk of what LG's customers got. Please hit a like and subscribe to my channel. I post practical Windows guides every day. Thanks for watching.